To make Webull dark mode, you will need to access the settings within the application. First, open the Webull app on your device and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the account and settings page. From here, scroll down to the display settings section. Within this section, you will find the option to enable dark mode. Tap the toggle button next to dark mode to turn it on. The app will immediately switch to dark mode, changing the background color to a darker shade and adjusting the text and icon colors for better visibility. If you want to switch back to light mode, simply toggle the button off. It is also possible to schedule dark mode to turn on and off automatically based on the time of day. To do this, go to the display settings section and look for the auto dark mode option. Enable this feature and set the start and end times for dark mode. The app will automatically switch to dark mode during the specified hours and switch back to light mode outside of those hours. Using dark mode on Webull can help reduce eye strain and improve the overall user experience, especially when using the app in low light environments. By following these steps, you can easily enable dark mode on Webull and customize the display settings to suit your preferences. Remember to explore other display settings options within the app to further personalize your experience. This includes adjusting the font size, layout, and other visual elements to create a comfortable and intuitive trading environment. By taking advantage of these features, you can optimize your use of Webull and make the most out of the platform's tools and resources.